Good morning, students. Let us complete this chapter, chapter 6, the noun kinds of nouns. I had uploaded yesterday this video, and I hope you are doing your work on time. The previous videos you might have gone through, and if you have not gone, again and again, I remind in each video, through each video, that you should complete the work, whatever work is given to you by the teachers, okay? And now here I am reminding again that if you have not completed the previous work, so see that you complete the work on time. Okay, dear students, now here I would like to complete this chapter, the noun. Okay, kinds of noun. Yesterday we had learned how many kinds of nouns are there. Five. And each five nouns I had explained to you very well, and I hope you will, when you get the video, you will do best, your best to learn that. Okay, now today here all exercise work is there for you today. Now what you have to do here, this is your homework. In your notebook you will write these five sentences. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This five you will be writing in your notebook. Okay, so now today let us read. Choose one word noun. Okay, you have to choose one word noun from these words. Okay, from the box to substitute each of the following groups of words. Okay, now you have to choose the one word from this box for this of the following group of words. Okay, now for example, one who is unable to pay debts. Now debts, now what is the meaning of here? Now let us read the second one. One who knows everything. Now third one who goes on foot. Okay, fourth one who thinks for women's right. Now the fourth one. Okay, now this you will be finding out the answer from this book, this box, a noun, and you will write here. Where will you write? Here, each. So this is your homework. I am reminding again, this is your homework, and these five sentences you have to write in your notebook. Okay, dear students, because I already explained you what is a noun, so now you will know what you have to do here. Okay, so please write here. After this you have got the second one. Now what you have to do, put these collective nouns in the blanks below. Okay, now you have to write here, this filling the blanks are here. You have to choose the right word from here for this. This is a collective noun only, no other nouns. Okay, so now for example, number one is a dash of sheep was seen in the field. What will be? Flock. So for example, I did the one. Okay, so you will write here flock. Okay, so the same way you have to do all this. Okay, and from this you will be writing all five. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This you will write in your notebook. Okay, where will you write? Notebook. So you choose the correct answer from here, collective noun, and then fill it in all the blanks. Okay, you will complete this on time, dear students, without wasting your time. So you read these sentences properly first. Okay, then only you will do it. Otherwise without reading you will not be able to do it. And don't please don't try to copy it from your old books. Please do it from here first. Now the second, this one I have done it for you. Now you can see, match the collective nouns with their proper meaning. Okay, so already it is done. Go through this, and you will no need of writing this one in your notebook. And I hope you might have already purchased the book, or you might have got it from your old friends. If not, see that you get it. Okay, otherwise without books you will not be able to do, because I heard many children are getting home delivery in this book. So the bookseller is coming and giving it at home only. You have to only pay the money. So see that you get the books. If you are not getting the books from the shop, see that you get it from your old friends if it is possible. But you must have the book. Okay, so match the collective nouns with their proper meaning. Okay, now here what you have to do, in the following list of words, pick the odd one out. Okay, which word you feel that not suitable here, that you have to. Now for example, one, cup, plate, fork, spoon, chair. Okay, this chair is odd word. Okay, do you understand now? Okay, now the second one and third one you will be doing yourself. I don't need to explain it again. So this is your homework. Whatever homework I give you, dear students, see that you do it. Now this is here G1. Okay, From the abstract noun from the following words by adding tion. This word you have to add here. Okay. This word you have to add. How? Perfect, perfection. Okay. Imagination. This you will do yourself. Then now here what you have to add? Meant. Okay. Appointment. Okay. The same way you have to do all this. This 3, 1, 2, 3 you will be writing in your notebook with the questions. Without questions, no. Okay. Did you understand this, dear students? I hope you might have understood, because it is very easy. In the first one it is asked to add tion. So invent, like for example invention. So it is very easy that you can do it. And then the second one you have to do it, you have to add meant, appointment. Same way you have to do all these three. And the third one is equality, ity you have to add humanity. Okay, the same way you have to do this work also. Now here, form the abstract noun from the following words. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to form the abstract noun from the following word. Now following words are here. Now number one is wise. Then another side list I have given you. Again there are words are there, so you have to add abstract noun. Okay, dear students, how you have to do that you already know. For example, like first one is wise, then what you have to do, you have to make it wisdom. Okay, then gentleness, presence. Then this you all have to do yourself. And this all 10 you will be writing in your notebook. No excuse. Okay, there. Thief, theft. Behave, behavior. So in the same way you have to do this also. Notebook you have to write. Okay, all this 10. This 5 and this 5. And the question is asked here. This is a question. Okay, you will put this heading above it. After that you have got here one more exercise, filling the blanks using suitable abstract noun from the box. Okay, so he bore his misfortune with lots of patience. Okay, so here it comes. So this is also your homework. I don't need to give you because you will do it very well, I know. So these words you please see that you get the correct word from here, and then please write here. Okay, first one already I didn't give you, lots of patience. Okay, now what you have to do, label each picture with its kind of nouns. Okay, so now look at the picture and write their noun. Okay, for example this is proper noun because this is. Okay, now second one you have to write, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, all this is 6 pictures, you have to write their nouns here. Okay, so dear students, I hope you might have understood. Once again I explained to you what is your work today. This exercise you have to write 5 in your notebook, only 5 sentences, and write the correct noun here. Okay, then only, don't write rubbish. Then write the collective noun here, flock already I put here. Okay, now write all this, and here also you will be writing 5 in your notebook. After this no need of writing, but then learn. Then pick out the odd one out. Okay, one I already did, so this one you will be doing your homework in your rough copy, no need of doing in the fair copy. Then this 3 you will be writing in your notebook. Okay, with all these examples. And after that this question you will put, and then complete this both. Already I explained to you, wise, wisdom, gentle, gentleness, in the same way you have to do it. Okay, this also, all these 10 you will write. And at the end this exercise is here, please write this also in your notebook, in your notebook. So dear students, here I complete this chapter, And I hope you might have understood when you get these both videos available in your YouTube channel. See that you watch it and understand and then complete the work on time. So dear students, I thank you. All the best.